Greetings! In this video, I want to help you troubleshoot a power outlet that is no longer working in the home or office or wherever you're at. It's going to be usually a simple fix 95% of the time. Yes, there is that 5% of the time where there's something with the wiring and an electrician needs to come to fix it and repair it. However, 95% of the time you can get it fixed. Now, simple fix is if you got a reset button right in the center between the two outlets, and you can press in on it and you feel it going in, or if it's red and you press in on it and the red disappears, you know that basically when your outlet is short circuited, it might have got like a power surge or something like that. Just go ahead and press it in, then test your outlet. A key tip here, side point, is if you can prevent yourself from using little devices on your outlet 24 hours. For example, there's night lights, there's inset candles and whatever. I'd highly recommend you not do that and not keep your outlets running all the time if it's not necessary. A lot of times these little devices, like this is like a pest repellent for bugs that you plug in, and that will sometimes short circuit it out. And so it's best just to keep things away from it if possible and use another alternative. Now, this particular outlet is short circuited, and I know that I press the button here and the night light's not coming on to test it. So I don't have a reset button on this. So in all homes, businesses, there's going to be a circuit board, a circuit breaker, that's going to have all the electricity switches throughout the home. And so what you need to do is locate that circuit breaker, the circuit panel, and it's usually on the down. If it's two-story house, it's usually on downstairs. Not always, but usually. And it's going to be a big metal door. A lot of times it's hidden. And if you're new to the home and there's picture frames up, a lot of times it'll be hidden behind a picture frame. And I'll show you exactly what it looks like. So in this house, it's two-story. As you can see there, two-story. And this one's actually in the living room area downstairs, and we could see there's a circuit board. Now this one was hidden by this little door here. See there? And again, you might have to look for it, but every home and business and building has one. So we can see here, this is an older house. This was built in 1978, but they're primarily all the same. And they're going to have like a little directory here, and they'll all look pretty much the same. And so each number designates the area that is linked up to that specific area. And so whoever makes this usually writes it down. The electrician will write down exactly where everyone goes. So for example, that goes to the furnace, number 1. So 1 and 3, 1 and 3. And it'll be the same width and height. That way you'll be able to tell. The dryer here's 8 and 9, range, heat. So I'm looking for the bottom bathroom. So that's where my bad outlet is. So I'm looking for bathroom and downstairs because there's 2 baths. Now if I look down here, downstairs bath. So what I want to do is that's number 28. And then I'm going to look right here. Now you can see the 28 is right there. But a lot of times these will wear out. So a lot of times what you have to do is count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever. You get the picture. And so the downstairs is right here on the bottom. Bathroom rec. And what you're going to notice is you're going to notice that one of these little levers is different than the other ones. So you can see all of these are all going to my right. I can click it. They're all, if one of the circuits is blown, it'll be switched over and different from the other ones, right? So you can see they're all on the on position. So let me look here. All these are on the on position, except this one is on the off position. That one's different, and of course, that goes to my bathroom right there. So let's go ahead and turn this on. And let's go back to the bathroom. Gotta love YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'm the Helping Hermit channel. All right, you look here. Put this in. It's funny how these outlets are upside down. It's like that in all the house. Click it on. And there you go. You can see that it's on now. It's working now. All right. I hope that helped. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and have a good rest of your day.